Hi everyone, I'm teacher Martha, and today I'm bringing you preposition para in Spanish. This preposition is very common, but a little confusing to use. So come with me. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you 6 ways how to use para. Get your notebook so you take some notes. It can be used in the way of a recipient, purpose or goal, purpose correlation, destination, deadline, or opinion. So sometimes para means for in English. In the case of a recipient, used to indicate the recipient of an action or thing. What is this? Let me explain. The gift is for my mother. In this sentence, este regalo is the thing for the gift. Es para mi madre. Mi madre is the recipient of the gift. Este regalo es para mi madre. That shirt is for your sister. Esa camiseta, which is the thing, es para tu hermana. Hermana is the recipient of the shirt. Esa camiseta es para tu hermana. Peter works for the electricity company. Pedro trabaja, which is the action, para la compañía de luz, the recipient. Pedro trabaja para la compañía de luz. Okay, second. Para sometimes is used to say something in order to. And it means purpose. Indicates purpose or goal. I exercise in order to be healthy. Yo hago ejercicio para estar saludable. That's my purpose. That's why I exercise. Studying is a must in order to be knowledgeable. Es necesario estudiar para tener conocimiento. So, I need to study in order to acquire knowledge. That is my purpose, acquire the knowledge. Es necesario estudiar para tener conocimiento. He works 2 shifts in order to have more money. Él trabaja 2 turnos para tener más dinero. His goal is money. Su meta es el dinero. Okay, number 3. In this case, para also means for. And the purpose is showing correlation between things. What does this mean? The purpose something is suitable for. Hair dye. Tinte para el cabello. See, in English, nothing is there. You just describe what the dye is for. Okay, but in Spanish, we need para in there, right in the middle. Sleeping wear. Ropa para dormir. Ropa para dormir. All the like underwear, swimming wear, all of those have para in the middle. Drinking water. Agua para tomar. Agua para tomar. Tablecloth. Mantel para la mesa. Next case. Also para means for. Destinations. Going towards to. Used to indicate a destination or endpoint. This order is for table 23. Esta orden es para la mesa 23. That's the destination of the order. The boss just left for his weekly meeting. El jefe acaba de salir para su junta semanal. Destination. We leave for Mexico on Thursday. Salimos para México el jueves. That's my destination or endpoint. Salimos para México el jueves. Next. In this case, para could mean for, on, or by. And it's when we're talking about deadline, time, or time term. I will come for Christmas. Voy a venir para Navidad. In that time, I'll be there. So, para. You need to be here by 9 a.m. Necesitas estar aquí para las 9 de la mañana. Aproximadamente en ese tiempo. Approximately at that time. So by 9 a.m. we use para. But if we would like to say exactly at that time, like you need to be here at 9 a.m., then we would say necesitas estar aquí a las 9 de la mañana, which means sharp. I need to have the documents by Monday morning. Necesito los documentos para el lunes en la mañana. Time or term. Para. For, according to, in my opinion. Talk about an opinion or perception. In my opinion, they need more time. Para mí, ellos necesitan más tiempo. The weather is cold for this season. El clima es frío para esta estación. For the teacher, they're all good students. Para la maestra, todos son buenos estudiantes. This is according to her perception. Okay, how did you do? I hope you did great. Please do subscribe by clicking on my picture down here. It's really simple. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and share with your friends. Also, check on my other videos. See you soon. Adios.